Hello, my name is Thomas from Nemo Engineering, and I'm going to show you what type of accessories we have to the HHS series of Turnlock. So the HHS series is the most heavy-duty series we have in the Turnlock range available, which can carry up to 10,000 newtons. And if you want the assembly to be sealed, you need two things: the buffer plate and the rubber gasket. So first off, you put on the buffer plate onto the stud, and afterwards, with the top side on the bottom, you install the rubber gasket. Afterwards, you install your stud into the frame, and then you can close it to the panel. With this, the assembly is watertight. There can't go any fluids into the assembly. If you would have several panel thicknesses and you want to use the same stud length, we also have shims available. These are available in 4 different thicknesses, going from 0.8 millimeters until 2 millimeters. What you need to do is you take the shim, you place it between the panel and the receptacle, and then you rivet install the receptacle. For more details or any other questions, you can always contact us or download our catalog on www.Turnlock.eu. Thank you.